Hello guys, and welcome back to the Aussie Kachu channel, where I help you with all your streaming, YouTube needs, and the occasional funny video of me and my friends being stupid. But anyways, today we're going to be helping you with how to increase your subscriber count and your viewer count on YouTube. There is a fair few tricks to this, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so number one, and just like streaming, one of the biggest things you can possibly do to help your channel is promote yourself on other apps such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any of those sort of things like that. Even Reddit. Reddit's also pretty good. You can get yourself out there on if you're on the right subreddits and that. Some people come check your videos. So if you're on the right subreddits, that can also be a help. So personally, I use TikTok to promote my YouTube channel, and that is the only reason I have got this many people so far. I've told a few friends that tried to do YouTube to promote themselves on TikTok, and I know one or two of them have tried this and they are growing. Not significantly fast, but they were growing from maybe 1 or 2 subs a week to 10, 20 subs a week maybe. So it does work. It does work, and you just gotta upload consistently on multiple platforms. Like TikTok, I upload at least 1, maybe 2 every single day. People know I'm there. I get more views. The more views I get, the more likes I get. The more likes I get, the more it shows up on other people's pages, the more people will comment on it. This is how the algorithm works. You got to work out the algorithm. But yes, I think you guys get what I mean. Basically upload consistently everywhere. So as it in, work smarter, not harder. Smarter by working harder on other ones, but keep a nice consistent schedule on here. Which brings me into number 2. So number 2 is having a upload schedule and consistently trying to keep that schedule going for as long as you can until you want to either add more days or take days off that schedule. Let your audience know, just so they know that you care, that they know. Which also leads us into number 3. Try and stay connected with the audience. I mean, engage with them, engage with your comments, then they will comment more, they'll come back, watch more of your videos, engage with them, show off some personality, talk with your audience, even create a Discord. I've got my very own Discord, which is linked down in the description if you want to go join that. We have memes, we've got lots of stuff down there. We talk about streaming, if you guys need any help, PCs, any of that sort of stuff. Link will be down in the description. But yeah, create your own Discord where your friends are in there. You're gonna have a consistent keep chatting, which brings us into number 4. So do not let the viewer count or sub count let you down. Looking at it as a helpful criticization. I don't know the exact word for it, but I think you guys get what I mean. So if your sub count is 1,000, but you're only getting 10-20 views a video, upload. If you're still trying to find your niche, what you want to do, upload different things that you have fun doing. The ones that do better, upload more of that, but don't upload only that. Upload more of the stuff that gets more views and more engagement, and then also upload some of the stuff you also really enjoy doing as well. Like I do, I enjoy playing video games and making funny videos, which I'm going to incorporate into my educational channel on how to do this stuff. Yeah, just don't look at the viewer count, your views are one video gets 20 views. Don't think it was a bad video. Just think of it as you can do better. It was good, but you can do better in your next one. Think of it like that. Don't always look at your stats as in, oh, my viewership in the first 24 hours is down. It could increase very fast when the time comes around for that video. Once it's out there, YouTube's putting it out there on people's pages and that. And like I said, this is where promoting yourself on other platforms comes in handy. So if you're promoting yourself out on TikTok and that, you can upload a small clip of your new video you just uploaded, and go check it out in the description. Upload the best bit, get people's attention. That is number 5. Get people's attention using thumbnails and titles, and once again, putting it out there, post it out there on different sites. Get people to come to you, and that is what all this is about, and what it all comes down to, bringing your fans or potential fans to you. So this next one would probably be the most important information I'm going to give you in this entire video. Give it 100% effort, and once again, this does not mean work harder, it means work smarter. It just revolves around that. You got to give it 100%. If you don't enjoy your own content, if you don't enjoy making it, which is why I didn't make a video last week, if it wasn't that I didn't enjoy it, I just wasn't in the right mindset. Your viewers can see that. They can pick that up, and they probably won't want to stick around for that entire video. If you look like you don't even want to be there for that entire video, you got to make yourself want to do this before you make other people watch your content. So you got to give it 100% effort and enthusiasm. And a little tip for people trying to talk to cameras, it's sort of one of these things, you got to fake it till you make it. And currently I'm doing the fake it, because I'm still not confident talking in the cameras, but I give it my best shot, look straight down the lens, and every now and then, as you see, I look away. It's just hard. It is a very hard thing to learn. Yes, but what is a great YouTube channel without good background music and good video editing software? So there's a lot of good video editing software out there, such as DaVinci Resolve, which I'll leave a link to down below, Hit Film Express, which I personally think was a bit choppy compared to DaVinci. There's so many out there, but DaVinci is the one I recommend. It's so smooth and it's free, and it's just really good for its price being free. So anyways, I'll leave a link in the description for that one as well. I think that pretty much sums it up. So we'll just go back over it. So promote yourself on apps like TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, that sort of stuff. Make sure you have a schedule so your viewers know when to come back, and the consistent amount of videos every single week would really help that as well. Don't let your viewers and sub count get to you, and don't look at it in a negative way. Look at it as a positive, constructive criticism way to improve your channel and your videos. Engage with your audience more, and maybe create a Discord, I don't know. And like I said, the most important one, give it 100% effort. And still, this doesn't mean work hard, this means work smart. Anyway guys, this has been it, and I will see you all in my next video. But wait, there's more. You need to go get Rogue Energy now down in the description, and like I said, there's so many links in the description for stuff like editing software, music, and my Discord. Anyways, go join that, and I'll see you all in my stream or my next video. Anyways, I'll see you then. Bye.